conversations with Chris from the Art Council. It's expanded probably 20 more artists this year, and I'm forever changing and growing my pieces, which is great. And then also having a historic place like Royal Yard here is just incredible.
We've had a really great evening actually. We got here quite early and missed most of the traffic, and yeah, it's just a great atmosphere, loads of fun and exciting things for the kids and for us as a family to do, and yeah, it's just brilliant for Plymouth to have this this type of event happening in our city, like right on our doorstep. Yeah, so I just urge everybody next time it's here to come and get involved.
As a photographer, it's a bit of a challenge with all the lights and all the people around, with the water on one of the displays, trying to keep my camera dry. But yeah, it's been fantastic.